you have selected in the from the first page, you have to just display that particular image only. Okay, for that you have to just upload into your folder that image and show the name.
So because I upload it in the next page, so I have to do in the first page, right?
Yeah, no, you have to do upload in the second page, next page.
Yeah, yeah, I did in the next page. But I do it today because it also showed me here twice. But I have to figure out why.
Okay, okay. One
Okay,
second.
now I'm online.
One second. Yeah, Kushi, are you there?
Yeah, yes,
Can you see the screen?
yes.
Okay. Now let's start today's session. Voice. The Java folder. Okay, Kushi, did you try some exercise in JavaScript? Did you try the JavaScript?
Sorry?
JavaScript example. JavaScript example. Did you try that
Not
examples?
yesterday. I did it day before yesterday because yesterday whole my internet doesn't work. So
Okay. You just try to implement the JavaScript examples also. If any problem or any doubt or any error, you can ask me. Okay.
oh, okay.
So that is for JavaScript. Now, today's Kushi, we have already discussed about the sessions. Let
Yes.
me revise. Yeah, we discussed about the sessions and the arrays. We didn't discuss about the multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, one second, Kushi. Let me tell Okay, Kushi, we discussed about the validations, JavaScript validations,
Validate. Yes. JavaScript. Yes.
JavaScript validations. Kushi? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think we did the validation.
बंद कर दिया. One second, Kushi.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Kushi, we already discussed about the arrays. Now today we are going to discuss about the multidimensional array. What is the multidimensional arrays and how we use the multidimensional arrays. Okay,
Yes.
Kushi?
Yes.
Kushi, tell me what is the arrays? We already discussed the simple arrays. Tell me first what is the arrays?
Array is the mul-
Yes, Kushi. We have in the PHP there are different kind of variables. It's a simple variables and array type variables. Simple variable can hold only one value at a time. Okay, at a particular
it's
time, a
normal.
simple
Yes.
variable can hold only one value, but array type variable can hold multiple values. That is arrays. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, and we have two type of arrays in indexed array and associative array. In the indexed array, the key is index start with 0, and in the associative array we have key and the value combination, means we can define our keys in the associative array, and means string key we can define a string key in our associative array. Okay, so these are the arrays.
Yes.
Now we are going to discuss about the multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional means nothing, we have array within the array. Okay, just like our multiple loops, inner loops, means we have loops within the loops. We already discussed about the loops within the loops, Kushi.
Yes.
Yeah, same as we have multi-dimensional arrays, means we have one array within the arrays. So it is called, means we have, just see here, we have one car variable. Okay, what we are going to assign into this are array type values. Array type values means multiple values, but what we are doing, what is in array, one or more array, means this is one
Array
variable.
within the array, right?
Yeah, array within the arrays, means this is the outer array. Okay, within this array there is four more arrays. So these all the things we are going to assign into dollar cars. So now our dollar cars will be a multi-dimensional data type, multi-dimensional array type variable. Multi-dimensional array type variable. Multi-dimensional means array within the arrays. Okay,
Yeah.
Rishi?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's see how we just do calculation in our multidimensional arrays. This is a simple our syntax for initializing our multidimensional arrays. Just run this example. Now, what we have done, define a multidimensional array, means you have to use this array keyword. This is the predefined keyword in PHP. You have to use array keyword, and with this array within this small brackets you have to use the small brackets. Okay, we always use small bracket for array. Okay, so in this array you have to use the small brackets. Within the small brackets there is more array type variables, array type values, you can see array type values. So we are, so this is the multi-dimensional array. Means this is the first array. In this first array we have five arrays. In this we have four arrays. Okay. What is the values? This is the, these three are the value of our array within array first array. Okay. This is the first inner array. This is the second inner array, and this is the third and fourth inner array. How we, this is just a syntax, how we initialize, how we set the value of multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, Kushi?
Yes.
Kushi, can you hear me properly?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, what we are doing? Okay, let me just copy that because I'm not able to edit. Create new file and save it to JavaScript. Just save our file as a multi-array.php. Now, what we are doing in this, okay, let me just remove this. This comment means, let's just assume there is no, there is no code. Okay, I just comment that code. Now, if you try to print that variable, which variable? Print underscore r, or predefined inbuilt function of PHP, try to, we used to just show the values within array type variables. Okay, it just print the whole values of array type variable. Okay, so what we have to pass? Dollar $. Nothing else. Let's see in the browser. JavaScript, run multi-array PHP. Yeah, it's just print the whole value of our array. This is the outer array, means we have one outer array. This is the one outer array. Okay, just show you one outer array. This is the one outer array, but within this array we have more arrays. Means this zero index is for our outer arrays, and within this zeroth index we have one more arrays with more array. And what is the value of that array? In the zeroth position Volvo, in the first position 22, in the second position 18. Means this is our outer array. In the zeroth position of our outer array there is one array, so this is called the multi-dimensional array. That's why it is called the multi-dimensional array. In the first position also, the first position of what? Our outer array. First position also we have one more array, and this is the value of that array. In the second position of our outer array, one more array, means we have three arrays within one array. So, and we assign that values into one variable. So our variable will be multi-dimensional array. Now, how we just access these values? If I need particular Volvo only, okay, what is my requirement, Kushi? I just want to print just Volvo, nothing else. Using with that variable, I just want to print Volvo only. how we do that? Let's see. We use our variable name. What is our variable name, Khushi? Cars. What is our variable name?
Cars.
Cars. Dollar cars. After dollar cars, we have to just pass the indexes. Means in the zeroth position, means the first array in our outer array is zeroth position. So we have to use 0 in the first bracket, and in the second bracket also 0. So we will get the Volvo. Let's see. We are getting or not. Let me just comment this. I just want to print Volvo only. Okay. So I have to echo. You can echo for the cars, but you have to use like this. In the zeroth position means the inner array, the inner first array. Okay, this 0 just
Yeah.
indicate the first inner array. If you use 1, then it will indicate the second inner array.
Second.
Okay, so I just use
Yeah.
0. So this is the first inner array, and I need the first value of first inner array. So I again use 0. This is the first value or not of our inner array. Yeah. Now
Yeah.
let's see, it is printing Volvo or not. Now I'm getting Volvo. Okay. Let's see one more time. I just want to print Volvo. These are the values. First one string type value, and rest of two values are integer type. Okay. In all inner arrays, we have 4 inner arrays and 1 outer array. Okay. So how we indicate the first, which is the first inner array, which is the second inner array, by using first bracket value. Okay, whatever be the index, it
Yeah.
will just determine then which inner array we are going to use. Okay, and these are the second bracket indicate the inner array value. If you write here 2, what you have write 2. Now just Kusi, tell me what will going to print.
So the
What
first is in the, so it will print Volvo and 18.
No, actually this 0
Zero.
indicates our first inner array. So it is this is, yeah, this one is our first inner array, and this 2 indicate the particular value of that inner array. So it will print 18 only. It will print 18 only. Why we are getting Volvo? If we use 0, means this is the 0th position, this is in the first position, this is in the second position. Okay, so if I write like this, so it will just print the 18 only, the third value of our first inner array. Okay, Kushi?
Yeah.
Yeah, just show you it's printing or not. 18 is coming. Okay,
Excuse me.
now
Oh, so it print only 18. So why we have to write 0?
sorry,
What is the meaning of first 0?
first 0, yeah, first bracket just indicate which inner array you are going to use. Which inner
Okay.
array?
So
Yeah,
Volvo 18.
yeah.
Yeah.
You have to indicate the inner array also. You have 4 inner arrays or not? You have 4 inner arrays. So first bracket
Yeah.
just indicate that which inner array you are going to use. If I use 2 here, now just tell me what will be the output on our screen.
2. 2.
What will be the output? 2.
2.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is the 2. Why? Because these 2 indicate our third inner array. Okay. and the second to indicate the third value of our third inner array. So it is true. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, it is printing true. Kushi, just tell me what will be the code if I want to print this Land Rover. What will be the code?
Have 3 and whatever number you want. If you want 15, then 2, and 17, then 1.
2,
So 3 and 2.
3 and 2.
No, you want to.
I just want to print Land Rover. Just Land Rover.
So 3 and 0.
3 and 0. Okay. Let's write 3 and this is 0. Yes, we will get 1 second. We will get the first value of our last array. Land Rover. So this is the working of multi-dimensional index type array. Okay, but this is the index type array or not? So both of the arrays are index type, means outer arrays also and all the inner arrays index type. That's why we can access the value of that array using the using the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever be the number of element. Okay, Kushi?
Yeah.
Kushi?
Yes.
1 second, Kushi. Let me look. 1 second. Hello. कौन? हाँ हाँ सर, ऑफिस ऑफिस। सर अभी तो नहीं है, मंत्री के पास मिल जाएगी शायद। कल 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 हो जाएगा। नहीं, मैंने रूम चेंज कर लिया है। हाँ हाँ, इसको फोन कर दो। नहीं, ये तो निकल चुका है, अभी नहीं है ऑफिस में। हाँ, सुबह दे जाएगा। हाँ ठीक है, देख लेंगे। हाँ, क्या बोला? रोज अच्छा। सॉरी खुशी। Now, so Kushi, this is our index type multi-dimensional array. Okay, is that
Yeah.
index type or not, Kushi?
Sorry.
It is the index type or not? Index type means we already know array variable has two types, index type and the associative. There's two type of arrays, index type arrays and the associative arrays. Index type arrays have the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, whatever the number of elements. And the associative array have key and the value combination. Key means you can assign any string as a key and that key have the values. So that particular key can return the value, whatever be the value at that position. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So just tell me, is there any confusion in this index type array? The simple.
No. No.
So let me just print this. What we are doing in this code, we are just echoing the whole value of our variable. Means our variable multidimensional array means outer all the inner array values we are going to display. Okay, how we do that? We just echo $car 0000 means Volvo. Volvo will be printed or not in place of this code, Kushi?
0, 0. Yes.
Yeah. Volvo. Dot. Why we use dot, Kushi, in PHP? Dot. If you are using dot in between two string or two values, then it will concatenate. Means after this Volvo, it will just concatenate this string. Okay. We use dot
Yeah.
for concatenating the string. Why we use, Kushi?
To continue
Concatenating
the
means
string.
if you want to just print the in stock, it is just a printing, nothing else. It is just printing these string value. These are the special character and some string. The purpose of dot is to just add this string in between our value, means Volvo, and the second one is 20. So Volvo in stock 20 and 22 and sold 80. So it will print like that. One second, Kushi, let me show
Mm-hmm.
you. Volvo in stock. Volvo is because of our dollar card 00 means zeroth index of means our first inner array, and the second zero means first value of our first inner array, and the in stock 22 second value of our first inner array, and the 18 third value, same as second inner array, first second value and the third value. Now, why we use dot dots? This is the one static string, nothing else. We just want to
Just the
display that
yeah.
string. Okay,
Yeah.
we just want to display that string. That's why we use dot. Means we use dot one dot here and here. So it just concatenate with our output. Let me show you. Okay, this just going to print Volvo. Dot means it will concatenate this string as it is. It will just concatenate this string with our output as it is, and dot again, so it will just print the second value of our first inner array, and dot it will just concatenate the string as it is, and this is the third value, and one br tag for the break line for proper display, and we are using dot. If we don't use dot, so it will give you,
In the same it will not separate it.
let me show you. I'm not using dots. It will give you error on line number 16, means this comma, the semicolon, all these are not recognizable. So our PHP understand dot. Why? Means it will just, means our PHP compiler just assume that this is the coding. This is the coding because we didn't use dot in between these string. We have to use the dot. That's why. So it will just consider as, now it will consider as string, and we are just concatenating this string into our output, and this is also a string, a hard coded string. It will just print as it is. Okay, Ishi?
Yeah. Your screen is gone.
My you are not able to see the screen.
No.
One second. One second. Maybe I, because of the session destroy. It's an expire. ले रहा था। हाँ जी, मैं पढ़ाता हूँ बात ऑनलाइन। मैं आपको सेंड करता हूँ, आधा घंटे में सेंड करता हूँ। Now, yeah, Kushi, are you able to see this, please?
Yes.
Okay. So I just put the dots. Maybe I didn't see the file. Means this is the this is the PHP coding, but this is not a PHP coding, Kushi. This is not a PHP coding. So it means we have to. This is the simple string or not in double quotes or in a single quote. Everything is treated as a string in PHP. Okay, so this is the simple string. So we use dot to concatenate this string with our output. Okay, we use dot car, and this is our second value. And again we use dot, means we just concatenating out or out. One second, Kushi. Hello, Kushi. Now, can you hear me? Kushi, are you there? Hello, Kushi. Kushi, can you hear me? Kushi. Hello. Kushi, can you hear me? Hello, Kushi. Network.
वही खुशी और नगर के प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो गए ना अपने?
हाँ,
समझा दिया ना सारे को डाउट किए वो समझ में आएगा सब।
हाँ,
मैंने तुमको बोला कि उनसे लिखवा लेना प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में 4 लाइन लिखवा ली सबसे।
4 लाइन में बोला सबको लिखवाने को।
वो तो लिख दी उन्होंने।
3 दिन से आया नहीं है, इसका
नगर
रेटिंग
नहीं
है
आया
3
ना।
दिन से। हाँ।
और खुशी
खुशी को बताया,
खुशी से पूछ लेना वो खुशी को
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं 2 दिन से।
खुशी के पास
हाँ,
खुशी ने भी नहीं ट्रेनिंग
नहीं ट्रेनिंग हुई है, यानी कि रात में नहीं था प्रॉब्लम।
Okay.
Yeah, Kushi.
Yes.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now, so this is our simple multidimensional array. Why we use dot? Now it is clear or not, Kushi?
Yes.
Means for just concatenating any string with our output, that these are will give the output. Okay, but we are
Yeah.
concatenating our output also and these string into the output. Okay, try with yourself and it will give you more information about the dot. Means if any error comes, then you will just feel, yeah, where you have to use dot, where and there you have to double quotes. Okay, this is the simple string. This is this is nothing. This is not any code, but these dots, and these are the PHP code. Okay,
Okay.
so this is our simple multi-dimensional index array. Okay,
Yeah.
now Khushi, uh, I want to just tell you about the project. I asked you to write something, some lines in your words, or whatever you have just serve your project. Means you didn't send me a mail with the description of your project and your role. Kushi, did you study
Yeah.
about your projects? Means study
Yes.
about means just surf or can you see the website, these websites?
Yes. Yes. I open.
And did you write the description for all four websites?
I write what the companies are doing. Like I told you that they also then I open the website and I see what the companies are for. Like for Wikibon they uh, allow the visitors to use the technology and keep the information safe in database.
Yeah, like that, and just understand the description, whatever be in your resume also. Okay, just understand that description, and just according to that description, just search your website. There is a link also. I already sent you the link
Yes.
also, Kushi.
Yes.
So, just open that links under just read out your description, whatever in your resume. Try to understand the website. Just you have to know, if anybody asks you about that website, you have some words to say. You have some sentences to say about that website, to describe that website. Okay, Khushi, so please just send me a mail today with the descriptions and your role for that particular website. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. Just see the resume also and see the website. Some line of resume, some line whatever you have understand. Okay, just put me a
Okay.
mail into my email box today. Okay,
Okay.
and you have to remember that thing, means the description of resume also, and whatever you have sent. Means if anybody asks you, just tell me about the e-property. Means e-property is not there. H related, H relate is in your website, is in your resume or not? H relate, Kushi.
No, we take it out there actually. Indeed.
We take it that out. Okay.
Yeah, we put some other company because it was showing my experience from 2010 to 11, and I came to US in 2008.
Okay. Okay. So
So
Kushi,
they
um,
sent me a different one with this company.
okay.
Um, yeah, I just saw once that the new resume. Other companies same. They just changed the H related India.
Okay, okay, we just remove that related. Okay, you have the resume, updated resume, na? Do you have the
Yeah, he sent me the copy.
okay, so just try to understand that resume, the description of your projects. Actually, these are the projects you have done, or you can say the website you have created. Means your company created, and you have just code whatever they give you a sign, whatever they assign you a task. Means if you have to complete the home page or any inner page, whatever be the website, you have worked on that website in the phase of
Oh,
development. Okay,
okay.
okay, so just try to understand that website. and try to understand your role. Okay, Kushi?
Yes.
Means in the interview they ask you which uh, which website you have created and what project you have done till now. Then you can just describe all these four or any one of the four. They can ask you, just tell me about what is the website for, what is the purpose of that website. So you have to know the description of that website. Then they can ask you what is your role, what you have done in that website. Okay, what is your role at the time
Yes.
of development. Okay, means all these website has been developed in your company. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is our index type. Index multidimensional array. Why I just said multidimensional arrays? Because these are the oh,
Array within the array.
0 1 2 3.
You doing something?
No, I'm just seeing the code. Sure.
Because I cannot see your screen. There's no screen.
Can you see this thing? Yeah,
And
it
you
is
are
logged
not
out.
on.
Yeah, it's logged out again automatically. 1 second. One second, Kushi. सर रोहित
Okay.
सर रोहित सर भी लॉगिन है क्या?
Yeah, now.
Now it's come. 1 second.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, this third zeros. Then okay. Yeah. Okay, Kushi. So this is the simple code. Just don't
Yeah.
get confused. Means it is you. They use the zeroth position, first value. Yeah, means first inner value, second first value of our first inner array, second value of our first inner array, and third value. So like this. And in the second row, first second inner array, first value 1 0. So don't look like this. Means just read this coding like row wise. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our indexed inner array. Now you can see we can have, let me just comment this. Comment. Yeah, I'll just comment it. I'm just copying it. Pasting. Now what is our second type, second array type, second, what is our second array type? Index, sorry, associative array type. Okay, this is
Yeah.
the index type. We can use associative array type. How we use? Name. Okay, Volvo. These are the stock. You can use any string. I'm using the name, stock, and the numbers or number of cars. Okay, sold. Which how many are sold? You can use first, second, third also. Means any string. It will just treat it as a key. Okay, I'm just assigning key
Yes.
and value combination. Okay, same in the second also. Second inner array. Name equals to greater than, means this is one kind of arrow we use in array type variables, in associative array type variables. Okay, stock and sold. Now I can remove this, and this is only two inner arrays. Okay, now let me just comment for a while. Let's comment this. Okay, now how we access these kind of array? Okay, let's see. Our inner arrays are the associative type, but our outer array, we didn't define any key value combination, so it is index type. Okay, just listen again. Our inner arrays are associative array type or not, Kushi? These are the key and the value combination. There is a key and the value combination. And but in
Yes.
our outer array, this is our outer array or not, Kushi?
Yes.
So this is our outer array. So it is the index array. Now, if I want to just access any value, means now I just want to access this value BMW. So this is our second inner array. So I have to use one index. One index or not, Kushi? I have to use one or not, because
Yes.
this is the second. Now in the second position, I have to use within the single quote or double quote the key value, whatever be the key value, means key name, whatever be the key, I have to pass here. I just want to use one BMW, want to eco. I just pass name, this name. Okay, let me show you on the browser. Yeah, BMW is coming or not, Kushi? Yeah, it is coming. Why? Because let me show you the code. Let me show you the code. One second, Kushi. Hello. आधा घंटा कहाँ 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 पे ना आ रहा 15 मिनट में आलू करूँगा और फोन का जल्दी लेना 15 मिनट में हाँ 20 मिनट में आ जाए 20 मिनट 20 मिनट 20 मिनट ठीक है 20 मिनट से हो जाए कॉल करता हूँ कॉल करो ना बाय sorry Kushi. So
So if we put eco pass 0 and then it will print Volvo?
yeah, exactly. it will just print Volvo. Why? 0, 1, 2 is the numbering of our inner arrays. So it will print Volvo. If you want to print now, just tell me if you want to print this 13, what you have to write this 13.
I have to write one and sold.
Yeah. 1 and sold. So this is the working of our associative type array, multidimensional with associative. We can access our array value using the keys, same as our simple arrays. You can access the value using key or not, Kushi, in the simple arrays. Yes. So this is the working. Yeah, you can use any key value also for your first array. I will just show you tomorrow, okay? Because it will create some confusion, because I have to use some brackets for that, means the key, mm, multi, okay? You can use any key value bracket, and you have to use these value within the brackets. Maybe it will not work. Now if you want to print sold, so just use multi, one second, within the single quotes or double quotes, multi and the sold. So it will print 30. What is coming error? Okay, I will tell you about this in our
Tomorrow session.
maybe not. Just check, because multidimensional with multidimensional causes some error. Okay, now it is coming. Means we use pure multidimensional array in associative format. Associative means key value format. Okay, what I have done, in place of 0 you have to write now multi. Okay, in place of 0 you have to write multi, so it will just indicate your first array. Okay, just forget about this, just concentrate on this, the 0, 1 and the key value of your inner array. This is the simple thing. I will just show you in detail. The second means pure associative multidimensional array. Okay, so these are our
Yeah.
multidimensional array. What is your task? Your task is just print the just remove this. This is the printing of our what I have said in index type or not. Yes, it is the index way. Now just print this line, the same line, using this type of value, means one sold for this third value. So just print the same value. Okay,
Okay.
as we just show, we show in this example, we just printed all four values or not, Kushi?
Yeah.
So just this is your task, and your task also just create just give me first preference, give the description of your project, second your HTML task, and this is your third task. Okay,
Okay.
okay. If you are not able to complete that task, this is just in my point of view, this is just for 5 minute task, nothing else. Okay,
Yeah.
5 minute task, just you have to change the value, this value, nothing else, this value.
Yeah.
Okay, just
So I have to change like instead of 0 I have to 1.
yeah, Instead of 1, just write stop. If you want to print here, stop. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Kushi, that's it for today's session. Just try to learn about your projects, about your website, and just make some description for every project, description and your role, and send me a mail. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Kushi. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You